I won't be mean. I won't be mean. This should be an achievement, man. I'm letting you out because my chat is telling me to do so. Oh, Winston is dancing. Dance with me. Dance with me, Winston. Come on, you baby, come on. Come on to the kitchen. I have to whisper you something, Winston. I have to whisper you to your little ear. Well, anyone who didn't do this at Tomb Raider 2 Mansion has not even played the game. Well, I'm sure about that. We're gonna wait for this farty Winston. Oh, yes. But this is one of my favorites. Well, No. I'm gonna do it. Yes, motherfucker, yes. Party!